This little sponge, I can say over 2 hours when I'm working. Let me show you how. If you are watching this video, it's because you have a frustration with your grout. It's drying too quick and you don't know what to do with it. So before you spend a ton of money and a lot of frustration, let me show you how this little sponge. Now, this one is actually used to prepare moldings and areas that you're gonna paint. Sometimes you can find almost the same presentation in the dishwashing section of your grocery store, where you can buy just, a sponge to clean your dishes with. So let me show you how to use it. You're just gonna get a little bit of, water on it. You're gonna scrub over nice and gently. Don't worry about the tiles because they're not gonna get scratched. Then after that, you go ahead and clean it. That's how simple it is, right? So I'm gonna leave you in the description how you can get these little sponges so your life will be a little easier. Okay, Hugo, yes, right. Yeah, we finished, but it's a whole bunch of dust on top of that stuff when you get dry. Well, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use a dry one, a dry little sponge like this. You're gonna use a mask and you're just gonna pass it over. Later on, you're just gonna use a vacuum, clean it up really well. You're good to go. That's how easy it is. Now, if you wanna learn how to put this grout down, go to the link in the description and get the little sponge as well. All right, I'm gonna leave it over there. See you.